Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use protein shake bottle. First, pour your liquid into the shaker, typically between 8 and 12 ounces. Next, carefully add your protein powder, usually 1 or 2 scoops, depending on your needs. Don't forget to place the mixing ball or grid inside the bottle before sealing it up. This ensures a smooth, clump-free shake every time. Now, let's get mixing. Make sure the lid is securely fastened to avoid any spills. Then, shake the bottle vigorously for about 15 to 30 seconds. You'll want to ensure all the powder is fully dissolved. After shaking, quickly check for any remaining clumps. If you see any, just give it another quick shake until it's perfectly smooth. Proper cleaning is key for a long-lasting shaker. Rinse your bottle immediately after finishing your drink to prevent residue from drying. Then, wash it thoroughly with warm, soapy water, using a bottle brush to reach all areas. Finally, allow all the components, including the lid and mixing ball, to air dry completely before reassembling and storing. This keeps it fresh for next time. Here are a few pro tips to enhance your shaker experience. For an extra cold and refreshing drink, try adding a few ice cubes before shaking. If you're on the go, pre-measure your protein powder into a separate compartment. Also, remember to replace any worn-out mixing balls or seals to maintain optimal performance and prevent leaks. Enjoy your perfectly mixed shakes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.